looking living room that's been provided over here. Big spacious kitchenette area is what I would say. Spacious bedroom has been provided over here. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at Raheja Amaltis by K. Raheja Corp Homes, which is located in Sion East, right on the Eastern Express Highway near the BKC connector. Well, we are going to do this project sample flat tour. Regarding the project, we are going to know a lot in detail, but first let us know what is Housey. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects the customers with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers. And what's the result? You get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is one such real estate platform wherein the listing is done directly with the developer. So do not go here and there. Book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. Well, now let's talk about the project overview. So Raheja Amaltis by K. Raheja Corp Homes is going to be constructed on 1.55 acres of land parcel having 2 towers that you can see over here with ground plus 19 stories, and this project is located in Sion East, right on the Eastern Express Highway, and the BKC connector is right outside the project. Let's have a look at the model. Ground plus 2 you are going to get the podium, and there are going to be 17 habitual floors having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium apartments. Well, let's know about the connectivity. So let me tell you that this project is right on the Eastern Express Highway that's just outside the project. You can connect BKC from here in just 5 minutes. Science Circle is just 5 to 7 minutes. You can easily connect to the Eastern Freeway in 2 to 3 minutes, as well as since the location is Sion East, you can easily connect to any place from here. This is like the center, so you can just connect to any place from here, whether it is the South Bombay, whether it is BKC Bandra, or you want to also go to Navi Mumbai. Easily you can connect with different connectors from this location. Well, now talking about the hospital, the healthcare facilities, so everything is at an easy connectivity from this project, as well as when we talk about malls, shopping complexes, restaurants, everything is at an easy connectivity from this project, as well as good schools, colleges are also nearby. Well, talking about the amenities, so let's see the amenities here. This project is going to offer 30 plus ultra luxurious amenities. You can see some amenities are at the rooftop, wherein you get a nice beautiful infinity swimming pool. You also get a gymnasium, fitness center, community hall, as well as you get kids play area, senior citizen area, and many more wonderful amenities. So yes, without any delay, let's go and now see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So right now we are heading towards the 3.5 BHK sample flat of Raheja Amaltis, which is of 1612 square feet carpet area. And before we go, let us see what all is going to be provided. Let's have a look over here. So there is going to be floor to floor height of 3.4 meters, which is around 11 feet, a rectangular living and dining area with larger edge windows, wider main doors, residences with elegant marble flooring, as well as all customized comfort due to VRF technology that enables individual temperature settings for each room, and elevated rooftop amenities, and obviously homes with spacious multi-purpose room. So let us quickly go and see how is the sample flat, and I am super excited to see it. So quickly, let's go. So before we enter, here is the video door phone that's going to be provided for your security. I want you to have a look at the door, the entrance. This is of 8 feet. This looks really spacious just before even we enter. So let's quickly enter. Look at this very beautiful, spacious looking living room that's been provided over here. Quite spacious, enough for your dining table, your seating area, and now let's go and see the balcony, which is the cherry on the cake. It has a wooden flooring, and look at this, a very nice wide balcony, quite spacious, and from here you can enjoy the beautiful city view and have a great time, leisure time in your balcony. Well, so wide front sliding windows are going to be provided, and the height of these are also 8 feet. All the windows are 8 feet. Here also half front sliding windows are provided. So yes, if you're in the living room, you get a nice wide view of outside from here. And now let's quickly go to the kitchenette area. But before that, I want you to have a look. There is a powder room that's been provided over here. A nice powder room has been given over here with a window for your ventilation. And now let's quickly go to the kitchenette area. This is a kitchenette area which you can customize and design as per your requirements. So nice, big, spacious kitchenette area is what I would say. And let's go ahead and see the dry passage area that's been given over here. Quite a nice big dry passage area has been provided over here for your different storage. And here is the storeroom, or you can also use it as a servant quarters room. This also comes with an attached servant's washroom. Let's go and have a look. A nice washroom has been given, and you can use this for the maid's bathroom. And now let's quickly go and see the bedrooms. Let's head to bedroom number 1. Before that, a small passage area has been given over here. A passage area is small here because that's like a zero wastage, and more space is given to the rooms. Let's go inside. This is a nice big spacious bedroom number 1 that's been given over here with half front sliding windows and a beautiful view outside of the city. And bedroom number 1 also comes with an attached washroom. Let's go and see the washroom. High-end sanitary fittings have been provided, that is German fittings of high quality. And here is also a small passage area as we enter in the bedroom number 1. Now let's quickly go and see bedroom number 2, which is the master bedroom. Well, let me tell you that almost all the rooms are master bedroom only because they come with attached washrooms. This is bedroom number 2. Look at this wide passage area that's been given. You can easily put in your wardrobe in this space. This space also can be utilized for your wardrobe, and here is the bed area. Quite a nice, big, spacious room has been given over here. These are your half front sliding windows, as well as here also a window has been given for cross ventilation. And if you see the ACs, as I mentioned to you, they have the VRF technology, so every room has their own set temperature that you can use. Look at this beautiful spacious washroom that's been given over here with high-end sanitary fittings, German fittings, and a window for your ventilation. So a nice big spacious washroom has been provided over here. Now let's go to bedroom number 3, which is another master bedroom. But before we move over there, let us know what does Housey actually do for us. Well, let me tell you that in Housey you get to know the actual location tour. We give you the sample flat tour as well. We let you know pros and cons of every project, like why is this project good for you, why is this project not good for you. We give you a 360 degrees virtual project tour. We let you know the all-inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details. And if after all of this, if you like the project, then in 3 simple clicks you can go and book your free site visit. So what are you waiting for? Quickly go and book your free site visit right now by clicking on the link mentioned in the description. And now, before we go to the master bedroom, that is bedroom number 3, let me show you this space. So this space can be utilized as your 0.5 room. Obviously, it is totally on you. If you want to make this as your 0.5 room, you can. But if you want to utilize this space as your spacious living room, you can do that as well. So customizing this space, designing this space as per your requirement is totally on you. So you can either use this as a 3.5 BHK or a 3 BHK. Well, let's go and see the master bedroom, that is bedroom number 3. A nice big spacious bedroom has been provided over here. These are the half frame sliding windows that have been given over here. And here comes the attached washroom. A nice big spacious washroom has been given over here with high-end sanitary fittings, anti-skid tiles. Well, let me tell you that in the entire apartment, you get 5 washrooms and a big spacious living room. So yes, this was a 3.5 BHK sample flat tour of Raheja Amalthus by K. Raheja Corp Homes, which is of 1612 square feet carpet area. How did you like it? Let us know in the comments section. This is in Sion East, right on the Eastern Express Highway, so a great place to connect anywhere. Well, if you like this project, you can download the e-brochure of this project by clicking on the link mentioned in the description, as well as if you need details about this project or any other project, you can just go and register yourself on housey.com. Well, also before going, we would like to ask you, what do you have to say about this location, as well as what do you have to say about the builder Raheja? Have you purchased any flat before? Let us know in the comment section, because your feedback is very important for us and our viewers as well. And do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more details and more videos. I will meet you in another video. Until then, bye bye and take care. So everyone, this was a 3.5 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Raheja Amalthus, located in Sion East by K. Raheja Corp Homes. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.